of placement and other details. And so let's start with that. So this is for Alliance University, which was started in 2010. So it's a very new, 10 years old, and it's under Karnataka State University, approved by UGC, and it's based out in Bangalore in the Bannerghatta Road, Anekal region, right? Or sorry, it's a Jigni region, right? And this is the main campus of the university. So this is approved by UGC AICT, and it is one of the top 10 universities, and 20 plus courses are rolled out of this, and across different university colleges, right? So you see here School of Business, Engineering, Law College, and so on. So around total 7,000 plus students are currently studying in part of the Alliance University overall, right? So that is more about the Alliance, and something about the accolades or the awards what they have. They as per the NRF, they are the 39th best MBA college in India. As per the NRF 2020, they are the 39th best in MBA college, and they are number 3 as a private by Times B School survey, and they are number 7 by 2018 top 10 best B schools in India on the global business course. So their rankings in Bangalore is just after IIM Bangalore in NIRF ranking 2020. Apart from the MBA college ranking, you will also see they are rank 11th in the law school for outstanding excellence, 16th rank 16 by private law school in careers360.com, and so many of them, right? Rank 19 in the overall by Times B School survey, and then 159th by NIRF 2020 in the engineering category. So not even in the MBA category, even in the engineering category, they are ranked under 39th and 159th across India. And furthermore, some of the accolades from the global perspective is their Great Indian Institute category by Forbes India, and ASSOCHAM, which is Association Chambers of Business, they have been southern most preferred B school, right? So this is more about the college, and in case you want to reach out for the college for any help, then these are the numbers. So before I start the review, I thought I'll give you, and this is about the college. So it's a big university, 55 plus acres of green campus in Jigni area in Anekal, and it's with every amenities you can find. It's there inside the campus. It's a green, beautiful, great academic environment. You can see the places marked here, the like administrative block, central library, or it's a learning center, food court, technical ball, or halls of residence is what they call about the hostels, right? So this is the some more pictures, right, from the not from the top but the college view, so university view, right? So this is a great environment, and this is the picture for the part of their hostel. So somebody who's staying there, this is the overall view of the hostel, and this is the inside view of the hostels with all the mess and any food court you can. So facilities wise, it's the best. It's a very great an environment for students to be staying there, and getting all this thoughts of sports and recreation facilities. You can think it's there in the campus of 55 acres. This is just a snapshot to show you before we actually get into the course part of it and the placement part of it. So, and somebody who is into Bangalore but doesn't wants to take the hostel, then the transportation is available for all the students of Bannerghatta, Electronic City, Hosur Road students, right? So that's there. And within the part of the MBA school itself, they have a couple of undergraduate courses, and the MBA and the doctor, as well as the executive program. So I'm focusing more towards the full-time postgraduate MBA program here, and this program is industry design curriculum. So that's offer learning based on different guest lectures, seminars, workshop, and all those parts. So those are all well built, and they do have a study abroad programs during this 2 years with the collaboration with other top-notch universities in 15 countries, right? So some of them are mentioned here, and they may have their different clubs, students Prometheus and the Matrimic marketing sec. So basically helping them. Now coming to the admission process, right? So it's an MBA college, and if you see on the website, they do take to many modes like GMAT, CAT, NMAT, ZAT, and every exam score they accept. And they have also now started AMAT, that is their own Alliance Management Aptitudes. And you see KMAT is a Karnataka Management Aptitudes test, and that's why reason we also see within the PG set also, PGCET, they have that, they take through PG seat, and they have the, if you see the recent seat matrix which was released, and this is the one which is released just a few days back, and they have Alliance University, they show 120 seats, and out of which PH, HK and RK quota are there. So that means they are taking through PG set also, and that's why I also thought it will be helpful for current students. So now coming to the placement part of it, so overall this is across university, so 3000 plus students gets placed across university, and the highest salary is 16.7 lakh, which is for the MBA, and so there is an increase in 29% of recruiters is what they claim. Now this is the NRF data snapshot which I have taken for last 3 years of management placement. So this is the MBA placement only, and they claim that 145 students out of 140 out of 145 students gets placed with the average salary of 10.25 lakhs, which is very good. In the previous year 146 got placed out of 157 with a 10 lakh salary, and the previous year also 10 lakh 20,000 as the salary with 95% placement. So which data shows that they have a very good strong track record of placement, right? And that's why I'm reviewing it here. And they are ranked as 39th best NRF rank MBA college in India after, and second best in Bangalore after IIM Bangalore, right? So, and this is the how the students gets placed. So most of the students are in placement around IT, ITES 25%, research, consulting, then real and construction 13, others 15, education 12, BFSI 11, and then small is a legal and FMCG. These are the typical companies which are recruiting, from this Alliance University for both MBA as well as engineering programs. So most of the companies you see is in a IT company, because they lie in the IT zone near Electronic City and the South Bangalore area, right? So a lot of good companies you see: KPIT, Yanatap, HCL, Cognizant, and all of, right, Atos. And then there are manufacturing companies, a Berger, and those are also in the Saint-Gobain, Godrej, and so on. And the typical roles which are offered to students, because based on the schemes like a marketing, finance, are these ones. So it's a typical, marketing will be the center role, or the district level role, or the state level role, territory manager, like those. And then finance, it's across compliance, financial consultant, etc. So all of those roles are there. Now coming to the MBA, which this is not about the PG set fees, but I see this is the fees which is applicable to other modes of admission. So there the fees is 14 lakhs, right? And for the 2-year programs. So but PG set fees will be less. I tried to find out, but I could not get it. But it is 54k is the KA fees, and I am assuming 1.5 lakhs will be more. So around, you can assume around 2 lakhs can be the approximate fees for this, is my prediction. Similarly, if you are taking the hostel, this is the fees for everybody applicable for any mode. So hostel fees remains triple occupancy 72k, and for the girls, and double occupancy 84k for the, and single occupancy 90. So similarly for boys, so 1 lakh rupees if it is a single occupancy per year is the hostel fees, and mess charges and others are at the top, right? So there'll be additional charges, but the facilities are all best in class. So that is the more detail which I am covering here. And also now about the PG set cutoff for last year. So you can see the Alliance University code is 385. B385 is the Alliance University, and the GM cutoff was 16,620. So another categories are blank. That means they are not having a reservation for the other. So in the same, you can see about JSS Academy of Higher Education. So I have taken this snapshot from last year PGCET cutoff. So that means last year related it was there, and this is the code. You have B343. You can note it down. And that's what I thought of providing the complete details about the college cutoff, placement, and fees, everything, so that you have the idea. And thank you for watching this, and please if you have any other query, please write to me. I will reply. And thank you for watching this, and please do like and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.